Sick often means you feel nauseous, while ill is a more formal way to say you're unwell. Number one, oh no, I ate too much candy and now I feel so blank. What do you think? If you ate too much candy, you probably feel a little bit queasy, right? Like you might throw up. So the best word here is sick. Sick is often used when you feel nauseous or like you might vomit. It's a common everyday way to describe that feeling. Number two, my grandpa is quite blank with the flu this week. For this one, ill fits really well. While you could say sick, ill often sounds a bit more formal or serious. So saying your grandpa is ill with the flu sounds very natural and a little more refined. Number three, the new video game is absolutely blank. You have to try it. This is where sick gets a fun twist. In modern slang, especially among younger people, sick can mean something is incredibly cool, amazing, or impressive. So if a video game is sick, it means it's fantastic. It's not about being unwell at all. English can be tricky, right? Number four, she failed to blank to go to work. So she stayed home. Both sick and ill could work here, but ill perhaps suggests a more general state of not feeling well enough to do daily activities. She's just generally unwell, so ill is a great fit. It paints a picture of someone who's just not up to facing the day. The last question, after the roller coaster, he looked a little blank around the edges. This is another classic sick moment. After a while roller coaster ride, many people feel a bit green, a bit nauseous, like they might be sick. He's definitely not feeling his best, and sick captures that feeling perfectly. So again, sick often means nauseous or in slang, awesome. Ill is a more formal way of saying unwell. Alright, now it's your turn. I prepared 5 more questions for you to practice. Write your answers in the comment below, or you can find the answer key near the end of this video if you're watching on YouTube. Before you go, if you find this helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. My name is Nelson and I'm a real person, not AI. I work hard to make these lessons. So your support really means a lot. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.